What's going on, guys? Enrique here from Weatherford BMW. Yes, the day is finally here. For so long, us Android users have been left in the dark. But that day is finally over as BMW has introduced wireless Android Auto in new BMWs. For a long time now, iPhone users have had the luxury of using Apple CarPlay in their new vehicle, and us Android users have been left in the dark. To take advantage of this feature, you would need to have a car that is produced after July of 2020, and you would need to have iDrive 7, which is its new operating system. Alright, so now I'm going to take you through the steps and show you guys how to set it up. So first, we need to make sure that the Bluetooth on our phone is turned on. From the BMW's home screen, we need to go into the communication tab, and then you'd want to select mobile devices. Because if you look to the right, you'll see a plus sign and you'd want to select new device. You'll see phone calls and audio via Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto. This is what you'd want to select. Now go into your Bluetooth settings. We're looking for BMW, and then it's going to be followed by some numbers. In this case, I'm just going to select my phone, which it's already synced, so Galaxy S20 Ultra. Asking me to confirm this pairing process. I hit OK. Alright, so now it's asking if I want to use a regular Bluetooth connection through iDrive or if I'd like to use Android Auto. So I definitely do want to use Android Auto. I'm going to press allow on my phone to allow access to contacts. I'm going to have it allow access to my messages. Give it a second to load up in the screen. And there it is. There we have Android Auto. A few things to kind of go over. At first, it's going to pull up a little map showing you what's going on. This is what the home screen does look like. It's very sleek. Any Android Auto compatible apps that you have in your phone already is going to display in here. So, you know, if you have a Spotify, Pandora, if you do any sort of podcasting apps, all of that is going to show up here so that you'd be able to use it. On the right of the screen, you'll notice you do have access to see your Google Map, which is very convenient, you know, especially as you're driving. That map is always going to be there so you can see where you're going. You know, let's just say, for example, I'm going to load up Tidal because that is the service I use. The interface is very clean. The experience is very easy to use. Just to show you what this looks like here when I play a song. And then I've still got access to the map just there on the right. One more thing that's really cool about Android Auto is you can customize the wallpaper. If I go over here to settings, I can scroll down to choose wallpaper. And from there, there's quite a few selections to sort of match what kind of car I have. So you'll see here, I can do a carbon fiber one. If I have an M car or some sort of carbon fiber trim inside, I could do one to sort of match my interior of the seats, and plenty of other options that are just really cool. If I want to get back to the BMW home screen, I can either tap on that BMW icon or I can just hit the menu button above the iDrive controller. If I want to get back to Android Auto, up here on the top of the screen, hit Android Auto, or I could go down to the Apps tab and select Android Auto from there. Android Auto is going to make your life a lot easier and a lot better in the BMW. It definitely enhances the experience if you are an Android user. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, send us a message, and we'll be happy to get back to you. In the meantime, stay tuned for more great tutorials coming soon.